I'd like to introduce you to a program today called Natural Readers, which is a very good program of software to be able to use with Wikispaces. Many of our students who would use Wikispaces who have a little trouble deciphering the text or a little trouble with reading would be able to highlight their words and paste it into speech. Natural Readers, you can do text-to-speech or you can text to MP3. Text-to-speech, if you look on the screen right here, you can see you highlight and the text-to-speech will read to the person. For example, that sentence, I was born on February 12th, 1890. All right. You can also highlight and highlight any portion of a website and it'll read it to you. As you can see right here on the screen, the text-to-speech icon. All right. Let's go ahead and scroll down and see and try this out. All right. Let's say this is a trial of text-to-speech, and we're going to play it in U.S. English. All right. So basically it says this is a trial of text-to-speech. You can also use a different variety of languages. For example, U.S. English, UK English, French or Canadian French, German, Spanish, U.S. Spanish, Italian, Swedish, or Arabic. At the school I teach at, we have a student who is in special ed who is from the UK, and she uses text-to-speech in class because I've watched her use it before, and she has it set to the UK English, which is the native language of her native homeland, and it gives it in the accent, the British accent as well. So therefore, she's more comfortable at hearing words that helps her out a little bit more. Also, with Spanish or U.S. Spanish, this is where we have an influx of our immigrants coming into our nation who speak Spanish, and therefore some of their students can use this to help them out a little bit. All right. You can also choose the person that you want to read. You can have a couple of guys or a couple of girls read it to you, so it could be either a male or female accent. With text-to-speech as well, you basically, you can use an MP3 with it too. So basically, you could record the text-to-speech, all right, and play it over and over again. All right. The best part about this, though, text-to-speech and Natural Readers, you can get the free version of it. There are some upgrade versions who offer a little bit more, which you're going to be paying the price range around $50 to $60. However, with Natural Readers, you can download the free version 10.0, and you can get easily listen to class notes, textbooks. You can facilitate education, all right, and therefore it avoids eye strain for too much reading for these students. They can sit back and listen. All right. The best part about this too is books can be read to these students. All right. So if you sign a book project or something, or add that to your Wikispaces page of text article, they can highlight it. It'll read it to them. This is a really great program, and I suggest that it be used in schools. Have a great day, and thank you for listening to my presentation.